Welcome back to what has been quite an eventful week here in Monsanto. It started with the festa of Monsanto, and then I went away for a few days to the Douro Valley. But in between that, I have managed to do some work as well. The Douro Valley was absolutely beautiful, even though it is a very dry time of year there. And I made so much video footage that I am going to share that in a separate video on Wednesday. I have put some of it into this week's video as well, but the majority of it, if you're interested, will be out on Wednesday. So I hope you enjoy that.
Boas cantadas, tchau as casadas, sorriem as solteiras, cantam as solteiras, cantigas de amores. Muito boa noite, senhoras e senhores, oh papai. Olha, puxa assim, nessa aí. Eu sinto no meu coração, é amor, é amor, é amor, é loucura e entrega, é paixão. Quando danças, cabe no comboio.
I want to say thank you to everybody who commented on what they think the colour of the door behind me should be. I've not yet come to a final decision about it, so we will have to wait in due course when I go to the shop to see what paint they have, and let's see. The chimney area now has been rendered, and I will be painting it very soon. I know that I will have disappointed many of you because I have rendered the chimney. However, it did give me an idea that I could try to recreate that blue and white mottled effect by mixing blue and white paint, maybe using a sponge or something like that. First, I need to put a white first coat on it because this new render is probably going to suck up the paint. And then, yes, afterwards, I'll see what blue paint that I can buy and see if I can recreate that that effect that everybody seemed to like. And actually, I really liked too. However, there were cracks in the chimney brass. You wouldn't have been able to pick it up on video, like fine line cracks and things that really, that if I left it, it didn't look so nice. So yeah, let's see what I can recreate. Look how big the tent is. It's gonna blow away. It's not secured down. It's absolutely massive. Hopefully it's not gonna blow away with me inside of it. So I'm basically driving in the Douro to the Quinta that I'm going to, and it's on this beautiful windy road all through the pine tree forests. And I passed this little village which is right down here in the valley, Granja de Douro, and I'm going to show you because I'm quite high up here. Yes, oops, let me see if I come here. I'm going to zoom in. Right just down there. And I came across a little river beach where there was nobody there. So I'm a bit early for the wine tasting at the Quinta. So I'm going to head back down this road and go to the Praia Fluvial. This is such a cute little village with this beautiful bridge and the river. Just going to walk onto the bridge to show you a bit more of the village. I can see. So there is the village. It looks pretty old. And then down here we have the river. So this place has a pool. I don't know if it's open or not, to be fair. Has a volleyball court. And I am guessing that the river, oops, I'm going to go down here, is over here somewhere. There is not much water in here. And it doesn't look very inviting either. The pool looks much more inviting than that. But I think the pool is shut. Ugh, that's disappointing. But I can walk to the other side and sit in the shade over there. It's a beautiful location though. Such a shame the pool is closed, which is why there's no one here. But I'll just sit here for a bit under these trees, keeping cool. Here is a view of the Douro. The river is about 20 minutes from here, over that way. For now I have parked my car here in the shade. And this is the view from the car park, which is basically where you stay the night. can see all the rows of vineyards. Here is a very nice spot to sit and have dinner later. I've bought some cheese, some bread, and I will buy some wine from here. The perfect location for dinner, don't you think? The toilets here, I think, were the old pig quarters, and look how they have changed this would have been maybe the feeding trough or something like that. I'm not sure, or they may have just made it, but isn't that beautiful, from stone? And the showers in here are really cool too. Reminds me of my shower at home. This is slightly different, this stone here. This is what's called schist stone because it is thin, what's the word? Thinner layers. They do have some bigger ones there, but it's layers rather than stones. But it's cool. That night, I ended up sleeping in the car. Let's see how this paint goes on. That's the first part of the chimney painted, and it just brings, you know, the light into the room, and yeah, looks so nice. But I think it will look even nicer if it has that those shades of blue on it, because look down here, I am not painting over this part here. I'm going to rub down this bit a bit more where the paint is, but it still has that blue color. So, and on the inside too. So I'm gonna leave that. I'm not painting any of that part of it. But yes, it's nice. And let's imagine all this grey wall here, all of that there. I'm gonna wash this back wall over here and paint that too. So maybe not today. As we haven't been in the dream room for a couple of weeks, I thought I would give you an update as to where I am on my YouTube channel with regard to the 10,000 subscribers. And this is the current situation here. I have to have my glasses on because otherwise I can't read anything. So the number we're at the moment is 8,425 5 subscribers as of today, and I started at this figure up here, so it's nearly 100 more subscribers, so that is really great. And although it's not yet the 10,000 that I want to achieve by the end of the year, that was my goal. And to be honest with you, I'm unlikely to make it unless I have a video that gets a lot of views, which is okay, because I am just moving slowly in the direction of that dream, of that goal, and letting go of the when it's going to happen is the key, really, because we can hold on so tight to wanting something right in this moment, but actually it's the journey to get there that is the most exciting part. I mean, sure, I am going to be very excited when I reach 10,000 subscribers, but I am just happy seeing the progress unfold. And the other number which we were looking at, or I was looking at, was the number of views on my channel. So my goal by the end of the year is this big 1 million, which is much better than 10,000. So on this journey here, I am now up to 809,000, 280, does that say 6? It's reverse for me as well. So yeah, so that's all going really well. And again, it's not an easy goal to achieve. It would be more than my normal views to achieve that. But I am more than happy that I am, you know, into the 800,000 views on my channel. And now I have something very exciting, excuse me, to announce. So I have my first piece of merchandise. It might only be a small piece, but it is my first piece. And this is it. Actually, I can take my glasses off now. This is it. I now have a Dream Life Portugal sticker. And this image here, hopefully you can see it, is an image of, well, lots of images of Portugal. So I thought it was very appropriate for my channel. I will be giving these stickers free to anyone who joins my channel as a member. And I don't mean subscribed, I mean if you have joined my membership. And if you don't know what that is, it is a paying subscription whereby you receive perks for being a paid member of my channel, and that includes, well, it will include this sticker and also 2 other stickers for dreams and positivity. I will show those in a little video in just a moment. And if you can send me your postal address to my email address, which is in my description of all my videos right at the very bottom. So if you are not already a joined member of my channel and you would like to join to receive these stickers, and also the other perks are posts. I make an extra post during the week, and I also make videos especially for my members. So if you would like to join, you'll also find the link to join my membership in the description of the video below, and on my channel it's also just the join button. So I hope to see you there, and I will see you all again next Sunday. So these are just some of the other stickers that you could receive, and this is my beautiful Dream Life Portugal sticker. So I have my first sighting of the Douro River down there. I'm driving up along the top to go down, if that makes sense.